Hello and welcome to the BOSStimator. Ryan Frick is here. I've been in the construction industry for some time, since graduating from Purdue University with a mechanical construction engineering background. I've traveled throughout the United States and out of the States for many international construction companies, building everything from a natural gas refinery in Wyoming to a 25,000 square foot clean room in Maine that facilitated in a wintertime construction where we built the entire complex underneath a tent, basically for a complete city block. I was a field engineer for that position, to building a cogeneration power plant in Las Vegas. The cogeneration portion was for growing tomatoes, and natural gas. The power was supplied by a gas turbine engine. All this was within the industrial trades. Then transversed over into the commercial trades to building out the Rio Phase 5 hotel casino, and which this one is actually the Hard Rock Hotel Casino that we built out. And then the Rio Phase 5 Hotel Casino was a portion of the scope of work in the commercial trades, as well as going into the residential trades, building everything from log cabins in Wyoming to other cabins and homes in the Colorado area, to custom $1 million homes in Florida. The positions that I've held during this time frame was everything from a field engineer to a safety specialist to project controls, scheduling, P3, project managers, estimating, and then as a general contractor in still holding a general contractor's license in the state of Florida, building down here, and also building out into the Colorado area. I have experience in multiple different facets of software systems, from Sage Timberline to Excel, Zeatech, all the Word documents, everything imaginable is with regard to the office suites, and it goes on and on. Working from international companies, from Raytheon to Jacobs Engineering to Custom Rock International companies to small residential companies. So I have a pretty diverse background in the construction industry from all the different facets. And that's when I decided, when I started my own construction company, to look into the estimating software systems. I was familiar with Sage and very much familiar with Excel, and there was a lot of drawbacks that I had with each one of them, and with the other estimating systems that I investigated at the time as well. And that's why I decided to go ahead and create my own estimating system. At the time of when I originally created it, it wasn't intended to be distributed, but as it advanced and during counsel with others, we were told that we should market this product because there's hardly any of them like this on the market at that time, and at this time as well. The BOSStimator, as you will start getting introduced, and as your BOSStimator specialist will introduce it to you, you'll start to realize real fast the complexity of it. And the complexity is only how much the program can perform, but it's simplistic because you don't have to know how to program. You don't have to know all the ins and outs. The program does the work for you. I think as you continue to walk through and look at some of the demonstrations, you'll come to an agreement that the BOSStimator is by far the premier estimating and project management solution in the construction industry. And always, like always, feel free to call the boss.